And now, get ready for Steven Seagull in 24-hour Dickness. Only on the Superstation.
Bro, looks like you've never seen a perfect 10 before, huh?
Scratch that. A perfect 24.
What?
Get away, you roid monkey.
Oh, that's not very nice, Moochie Boochie. Maybe you need a free consultation, huh? Oh my god.
Yeah, contact.
Come on!
You want to try some reps?
I want to. I'm already sore.
400 pounds come crashing down on your chest. 400 pounds of rock from the rest are gonna come crashing down on your sweet girlfriend. What is that?
You boys like working your pecs? I like working my pecs too.
You got it. You got this. Oh, don't let it.
Stay down.
Say something for me. Oh, that's it. Now you're mine.
You guys flipped the wrong bird. All done, bro.
Thanks, man. Oh shit, who took a shit?